Aruba is now home to a newly named beach, Sarah-Quita Beach. But who is Sarah-Quita? Let's find out.
I'm Sarah-Quita. I'm born and raised here in Aruba, and I'm a professional windsurfer.
Sarah-Quita Offringa is a household name in Aruba, but for visitors who may not be familiar with her story, she's a windsurfing legend. For 20 years, she's been dominating the professional tour, earning 25 world titles across 3 windsurfing disciplines. And she's not done yet. Naming a beach after her is more than deserved. It's a full circle moment for an athlete whose journey began right here.
So I learned to windsurf right at this beach when I was 9 years old. And I think my parents have sacrificed a lot for my brother and I. They were always carpooling, always driving us to all the activities that we were doing. And then windsurfing specifically took a lot of effort because it's outdoors, it's out on the ocean. I'm sure they were worried many times when we were out after dark. All the equipment that we need to take to the beach and stuff. And also motivation was very important. I definitely had some down days that I didn't want to go to the beach anymore and stuff. My parents have played a really a key role in my development in windsurfing, and all of it was happening at this beach.
Having a beach named in your honor is a major recognition, and Sarah-Quita doesn't take it for granted.
Were you shocked when they unveiled it?
Not shocked, but like more emotional about it. It was like, yeah, because I knew it was something, so, but just the words were like really beautiful.
During the unveiling ceremony were the Prime Minister of Aruba, Minister of Tourism, the Minister of Education, Innovation and Sports, as well as the CEO of Aruba Tourism Authority were all present. And what they had to say about Sarah made her visibly emotional.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, the unveiling was quite emotional, but it was about all the things that they said, and it was very nice to hear these very kind words about my achievements and stuff. But above everything, they mentioned my dad, my mom, my brother, and of course my dad's not with us anymore, but I think that's maybe why I got emotional, because he would have loved to have been here. And it's thanks to my parents that I even got to where I am now, you know. They spent countless hours at this beach, and especially my mom and dad, they love watching sunsets, so I just got emotional thinking about my dad, and yeah, I don't know, just all the years that have gone by at this beach.
What makes this honor even more powerful is the fact that it's happening now, while Sarah-Quita is still at the top of her game, while she is still contributing to her legacy, proudly representing our island. It motivates her to carry our flag even higher and inspires the next generation to dream big.
It really means a lot to me to get this dedication. It's really an honor to have a beach named after me. And I think they also made a point out of it to kind of celebrate me at this age right now while I'm in my prime rather than after the matter. And I think kind of that also sets an example, because me and of course many other people, it's good to celebrate people like that because they can be role models for people right now. Younger people, older people, just locals, Arubans. I think it's important to celebrate the talent that we have right now on this island.
Recognition or not, one thing is certain. Sarah-Quita is endlessly proud to be born and raised in Aruba and continues to carry that pride with her wherever she goes.
Why do you love our island?
You know, I'm born and raised in Aruba, and I love Aruba so much. The people are very friendly, very warm, and I think this is one of our, this is the charm of Aruba. You feel it straight away when you arrive at the island, at the airport already. And it's this charm that I also carry with me when I travel abroad. Like, I want to share that warmness, that kindness, that laid-back vibe that we have on this island. And yeah, I think it's one of the best places to grow up.
Besides for having 25 world titles, Sarah-Quita also has quite the sense of humor.
Sarah-Quita, this is here forever.
I hope so.
So no, it is.
Okay, I hope I don't do anything bad that they take it away, you know?
She firmly believes that if you put your mind to something, you can achieve it.
I mean, having my name kind of etched in history in this way really feels amazing, and I appreciate it a lot. The thing is, people have been saying this for years that I should get something, but it was never something that was on my mind. And now that I actually have it, it feels incredible, because I've put so much effort into what I do, and to kind of get this token of appreciation is incredible. I'm very happy about my achievements, but I want to show more than anything that it doesn't really matter where you come from, that as long as you work hard you can make it. And also, especially coming from a small island, we actually have all the resources to do it big, I would say. So yeah, dream big, I would say to everyone, and you can go as far as you want to.
Sarah-Quita is not only a household name. To the island, she's truly a national treasure. While she loves Aruba, the island, and its people, they love her right back. It's the smiles, the greetings, and the support from the local community that keep her going.
I just want to thank all the people that made this happen, and also the outpour of kind messages that I got from all the locals about this, but also over all of these years. Everywhere I go, people are greeting me, saying hi to me, they're motivating me for the next competition, and this is something that I really love and appreciate from the Arubans here, so thank you.